Now, more than ever, we all need a little self-care. Creativity is a great way to relax, de-stress, and find a little calm in the chaos. And you don't need to be a super talented artist to get those feel-good vibes. My new book, 30 Days of Creativity, contains short 10-minute creative exercises. Complete one a day for 30 days to kickstart your new creative habit. When you complete your daily task, colour a circle on the tracker and try not to break the chain. You can hop around the book and complete the pages in any order you fancy. You don't need any expensive art supplies, just your book and some pretty basic pencil case items. There are easy to follow drawing tutorials, pages to doodle or complete, and of course, things to colour. There's even a few creative pep talks and words of advice from me, your biggest fan and inky cheerleader. So if you are looking for a new tool in your self-care toolkit, pick up a copy of my new book, 30 Days of Creativity, and start creating a little calm. See how different you feel in just 30 days.